Hello, I'm Harvey from Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we've got a very nice example of a Range Rover Velar. This one in particular is a Dynamic HSE, so it's a top specification. It's a 2-litre diesel, 200 brake horsepower, finished in Carpathian Grey. Starting at the front, you can see we've got the Atlas Grey Range Rover branding that contrasts very well with the grey paint colour. As well as being a Dynamic, you've got them burnished copper accents just to give it that aggressive look, more sportier styling. Coming to the side profile of the vehicle, 20-inch satin grey alloy wheels, multi-spoke, power folding wing mirrors, deployable door handles and keyless entry, all native to HSE. This car does come with an added extra of privacy glass and black roof rails, and then if we come all the way to the rear, reverse cameras standard, surround sensors on as always, and then a huge boot in Velar. Electrics in the back should you need to plug anything in. Pegs for convenience to hook your shopping up, tethering points to clamp stuff down, and extra storage underneath. And then if we close that automatic tailgate, come to the rear. Now, one of the big selling points on this car isn't that it's just Carpathian Grey, but it's got the light cloud interior, a really popular option. No clear signs of wear and tear, and being a HSE, you have got that perforated styling as well. Jumping into the front of the car, something you might not pick up on the video, this car does come with blind spot assist. You've got the light cloud continuation in the front on things like your steering wheel. Being 24 model year onwards, you've got wireless charging, you've got the 10-inch display, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with the PIVI Pro system, as well as a digital dash, memory electric seats, heated steering wheel and adaptive cruise control. This car does come with the Meridian Sound system, so it is an upgraded option. And then the big party piece of this car is, of course, that sliding panoramic roof, which is above and beyond, obviously, what this car is. So if we close that, should you be looking for a very nicely spec'd Range Rover Velar, this one's ready to go for immediate delivery, price to sell. It's a HSE in Carpathian Grey with the lovely light interior. Should you have any questions, feel free to inquire online or call us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.